Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to make 750,000 monthly without any trading capital. I know this video may look a little bit awkward, or maybe, for instance, so many people may doubt this video, but on this very channel and on this very video, we are going to look at how we can actually make 750,000 monthly income without actually spending our own trading capital. Okay. Now, most people that do not know what we are doing or who am I precisely, I'm Shedrack, the founder and CEO of legitcardbiz.com. And this is the legitcardbiz.com, where we teach people on how to teach people on both local and international on how to build ethical online and information marketing business in Nigeria and the world. Okay, you can hook up on me on my channel, which is Legit Card Biz channel, where we enlighten you on videos on latest legit cash online business. Okay, the videos we are hosting is free. You will not have to pay for watching, and that is why the only thing you can help us on this channel is to actually subscribe. Just hit the subscription button here. Okay, share the video so that other people can actually get what we are learning from the channel. So let's continue. In this video tutorial, we are going to look at how we can actually make money online, but this time around we are going to hit it 750,000 monthly. We are looking at the formula, and the only way we can actually arrive at that is to go into a telecom business. Now, one of the things that we are, if you are a Nigerian who is watching this video, you discover one thing, that a product that has stood a test of time, stand the test of time for a long time, is a telecom product. You know why? Because it's everyday product. It's a product that everybody uses daily. Now let's look briefly how this works. We are going to use a platform which is called datamobile.com.ng. Datamobile.com.ng is a program who started way back 2015, 2016, and it is still waxing strong. It's actually a full-blown platform that helps you to start online business on telecom with a little capital. And then here we are not looking at you using your capital to trade the business. What are the services this platform offers? They offer data subscription of all network, which is MTN, Airtel, Etisalat, Glo. And of course, you can also do airtime VTU instantly on the portal. And then of course, you can do bulk SMS. You can do bond transfer. You can also recruit affiliates, refer people, and get paid as well. You can also do airtime to cash conversion. You can also order for VTU business setup with the platform. You can also go through the video channel on Data Mobile specific. There's a lot of videos that covers a lot of things on this platform, which is, you can see it. You can see a lot of videos on Data Mobile, which is on our channel. Now, you can also pay bills like GoTV, DSTV, StarTimes on the platform. You can also buy educational EP. These are the various services they rendered on the portal. Now, what is the formula we are going to use to make up to 750,000 naira a month without our trading capital? The first thing is for you to be a vendor. And being a vendor in the platform, what is a vendor? A vendor is a person that delivers services on telecom. That is what we use as a vendor, as the name implies. So how do one become a vendor on Data Mobile? To become a vendor on Data Mobile requires you to pay a token amount of 2,000 naira to be a vendor. Thereafter, you now fund your e-wallet and then start doing transactions. Now look, this is the videos that work, video tutorial that works you on how you can become a vendor. The first and the second video is there, even how the commissions are coming. Now here we are going to look briefly. We're not going to actually go through the process again, but we're looking at how to actually use this 2,000 naira and make up to 750,000 naira monthly. Then how will that be possible? Now, this data mobile was built upon to help you make money, not actually for any other thing. Now, you are making money in two folds, which is through the networking, which you can see from here. The networking pays you from level 1 down to level 15, fifth generation. But this is not the place. You're actually going to make up to 1.70 million naira in total on your network. But the emphasis is on the network. The network is just the first phase of the income that you see on the business. The emphasis is actually on the cashback. The cashback here is actually what is obtainable to you as a vendor who is transacting, as in you are making money when you are buying products. Okay, most of the services they listed here, which is you can see data plan, is not actually, this is not actually the amount that is being sold. It's actually lesser than this. For everybody, this is the general price, but you are getting cash back. But the emphasis on this video is not actually on the cashback. The emphasis is on the customer transaction. Are you with me now? If you watch other videos, you get to understand a little bit of data mobile. But here we're looking at how we can build a vendors. What is a vendor? Customer-based vendors. It's just that you actually get involved by registering with 2,000 naira. Thereafter, you will start to build people that can transact on the platform. Okay, you will make money from their network entry fee, which is 2,000. You make 1,000, pay vendor, you register 1,000, 20 naira, pay vendor, you register. But here, the emphasis is for you to train them on how to do transactions. Okay, now most people don't understand this formula. The formula is very simple. If you have like 2 vendors that are doing transaction volume means they are buying MTN data bundle 5 times each of them. You'll be making 3,300 naira from these people. Then in a month is 9,000 naira. Now, if you go through the formula lane, you discover that at the down here, you see that if you have 50 vendors who are doing transaction 5 times daily, you'll be making 7,500, and in a month is 250,000. Are you with me now? Then if you now have like 50 customer, 9 mobile data bundle users who are doing transaction of 5 times, you'll be making what? 375, 3,750. Okay, this is 3,750 naira daily, and this is the amount in a month. But if you now have people that are paying for GoTV, DSTV, this, you'll be making a whooping, as in 50 people that are doing this, you'll be making a whooping sum of what? 12,500. And in a month time, you are making 375,000. Now, the principle here is for you to double your hustle, okay? Now, if you go to the e-payment, you see that the commission, the cashback, we're looking at the cashback statistics here. Okay, the cable subscription here. Okay, now the cable subscription seems to be the highest payout in this business. So what it means is that since 50 customers makes you this amount, which is 375,000, it means you need like 100 customers to make up to this. So what it means is that you need to recruit at least 300 people. But in statistics, we usually use a formula that works, okay? Since 100 people will make you, okay, it means 375,000 times by 2, we give you 750,000. So we are going to estimate 200 customers. Are you with me now? The 200 customer here is that the probability of you, those customers, okay, as in you use 200 for 100. So you are going to recruit at least 200 people to make up to 750,000 monthly. Remember that this money that is coming here is a money that you are not the one doing the transaction. Your money is not involved, your capital is not involved. It's actually the trading capital of those your downliners, okay? For instance, if you have recruited 200 people, the system must have already paid you what? 240,000, 204,000 for recruitment, as in through the MLM scheme. Because we encourage you, the formula for you to make more money on this, you do a direct referrals. You don't need to let your downliners recruit themselves, other people. Just keep doing it because you have a target, isn't it? In every business model, even bank have a target for their staffs. They may give you, okay, get like 500 people, maybe in 6 months. If you don't have it, they will quit you in a job. So internet business is just almost the same thing like that. You have to be the customer base who transact daily, and then thereafter you make more money from their transactions. And that is why Data Mobile is one of the best and the most ranked VTU telecom portal provider in the whole country. So I encourage you to go into this business because it is so educative, so entertaining, so rewarding. Okay. Now, other business do not give you these statistics, how you make money and all that. But here in Data Mobile, you are getting statistics. So when you have like 200 people, we have only made 204,000 from their recruit for just registering them. And then when they then started doing transactions, you encourage them. Each one, you can organize programs, mentor them to do transactions. Don't tell them to go and start referring. This when two people started using the platform, they know that it's working before they will not think of referral. But let them be doing transaction because that is where you make more money, a stable money. And remember that you can always withdraw your money once you have what 100 naira. So you don't wait until you make 300, 750,000 before you can place a withdrawal. No, it's just 100 naira. You place a withdrawal on the RP technology that is there. So that is the formula. You recruit 200 people, then expect it to be like 100. Expect those 200 people, make sure you mentor them to make transaction of 5 times daily or even more than that. If they're making more than that, then that is a bigger money for you. Are you with me now? There is a lot of things we are going to teach you once you come up on board with our team, okay? We can also help you learn more ethical skills that you can implement in your Data Mobile business to get more than that. Are you with me now? You are going to use a lot of leverage to make more money on it. But first of all, you have to be a vendor. And how do you be a vendor? Very, very simple. You scroll up here, okay? You click on register. When you click on this register, you are expected to have a person that referred you, okay, to help you even register. And I am the one that is preaching to you. You can hook up to me by calling this line. It's actually a general support line, but you can also call it. You can get started by what? Calling the line here, which is 081 36 36 7446. Then on the registration, once you make payment into the company account, then you text me your registration details via WhatsApp or SMS or email, okay? Legit Card Biz on 24/7@gmail.com, or better still, you send it to the support line, which is also the same number. Are you with me now? So you come here. This is the requirement we are going to send to that line. Okay, this is the requirement. Your username. Okay, I will buy an EPN from my own account and of course register you. Thereafter, you can do the same. Now you may be wondering, oh, is this thing real? Is it actually working? My brother, is working because the system is very, very transparent enough. And that is why you can see that from the pop-up segment, you can see statistics of users doing transactions. You can see here, 2 days ago, someone in purchased airtime, VTU. Are you with me now? So everything is real and confirmed and legit. So get involved in Data Mobile today. Remember, the formula is for us to make money through leverage. Are you with me now? Through leverage. As a matter of fact, as I'm recording this video, I am actually on my way, just to cruise around the city. Imagine that. You'll be making money while you are sleeping. It's no longer your effort, keep working without not getting any result. So you pay into this account, or better so you contact this line 081 36 Let me buy an EP for you, do everything for you, register you. Once your account is activated by the admin, you can log in and test run the system by buying products. Once you actually familiarize yourself with the whole system, then you now start the main business, which is what recruiting people. Once you recruit people, allow them to perform transactions, teach them how to do it, and then year after you start seeing, wow, imaginable results. I started it not quite a long time ago, but at least for now, be able to make up to like 100K just within few days. Imagine that. I think it's up to like 5 days. I made up to 100K just by my customer transaction, not actually by my own transaction. So the entire money that I have invested so far is just 2,000 naira. Which other business in Nigeria can give you such a return? If not Data Mobile. I have up to like 3 accounts here. Another subsequent video will be teaching you more of the tricks that you can apply. But most of all these videos on all those content and also direct mentorship is only done when you're a member, when you are a vendor, a verified vendor. And if you keep on analyzing the platform, no matter how you analyze it, even tomorrow or next, without taking action, nothing has yet happened in your life. So get involved as a visitor, as someone that has been seeing Data Mobile. You think it's a scam or anything. Nothing like a scam. This is a platform that started way back 2015, even before all the emerging platform that started just yesterday. And this platform is sponsored by a registered company in Nigeria, which is recognized by the federal government of this country. So why are you wasting time? Why other people are demanding for these services? You can turn it as a business, make it a mandatory business. See it as a business. What is business? Something that keeps someone busy, okay? And then this is actually a business of the 21st century, a business that is demanded daily. This is not a networking program whereby you keep preaching, selling one kind of thing. This is a telecom business. A telecom business is a business that can never fail, because even the old woman in the street, in the village, buys airtime. Even everybody will welcome you because you are actually selling a product that is demandable. It's not a product that people don't use. Why can't you be a vendor today and see your life change around? Remember, the process of registering is very simple. You call this line, you make payment into the company account, or you contact me personally. I will send you a bank detail to make payment. I will buy an EP for you, and then of course register you. Once you are registration, you don't register on your own. I will be the one to register you, or your upliner. You can get back to your upliner to register you, okay? And then thereafter, you now start building your customer using the formula to make sure that you get to the top, okay? This is not a business that requires your personal capital to transact. It is actually the one that requires the effort of your downliners, those that you have registered. I remain your host, Shedra. Remember to subscribe in our YouTube channel to keep updated whenever we release a video like this. And of course, you can go to legitcardbiz.com to know the internet business that works. And of course, you can order most of them, even though some of them we have not yet reviewed them. But in our subsequent video, we are going to review. That's why you need to subscribe to our channel to keep updated once such videos keep being released. And may your host Shedwak. Bye for now.